how to fix Roblox Error Code 2. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. If it's not working, open Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings. After you're in Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Privacy and Security on the left side. Then go to third-party cookies, scroll down, and then in here click on See All Data and Permissions. Here, scroll down and search for Roblox, then click on the trash bin icon on the right side. Then press on Delete. After you've pressed on Delete, close the tab and then click on Windows R on your keyboard. After you've clicked on Windows R on your keyboard, click on %local app data %, press on Enter. It will open this page. Here, scroll down and search for Roblox. Click on Roblox and delete Roblox file. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix Roblox Error Code 2. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.